Multimodal literacies in the 21st century. The aims in the science faculty is to educate students with different learning abilities. The presentation is going to focus on how we can exceed in this aim, focusing on multimodal literacies. Professional Standards 1.5 and 6.2 continually encourage us to engage our students by creating exciting new literacies. First, I'll explain multiliteracies. The New London Group aims for classroom inclusiveness for all students. Therefore, literacies need to be presented in numerous ways, depending on the students' learning styles. Literacies can be presented according to these modes, but as a teacher, we are aiming to achieve 2 or more modes when introducing literacies to students, maybe even the possibility of joining all 5 modes in one literacy example or task. I will discuss them individually and give some biological examples. The written language. Everybody is aware of the scientific report. Students use these type of reports to discuss experiments. Reports are a structured way of conveying scientific language. We also use mnemonic ways of remembering scientific terms. As science teachers, we start to merge linguistic and spatial modes. Visuals are graphs, charts, and maps. This is an example of spatial flowchart made through Cuckoo. This gives students with low-level reading and writing skills the ability for scientific understanding. This is one of the major advantages as science teachers to be able to give quick visual representations of complex content. Science teachers want to make literacy interactive to engage students, just as visual gives us the chance to explain abstract ideas or represent images that students can't see with the naked eye. These cells are created through website Science by Doing. Science by Doing, aimed at Years 7 to 10, provides many different visual aids for students to complete inquiry-based student modules. Those students within the classroom who are visually impaired, or that oral is their best learning style, what can science teachers bring to the classroom? There is YouTube, such as this one, with audio for students. Also, science teachers can create podcasts. Some of our latest Word versions from 2016 onwards also create an audio. Science teachers need to be conscious of their body language. Students in science are expected to design presentations for the classroom, and how better to show gestural implications than through our own interest in science. This is essential with our hearing impaired students, so much so that some teachers are learning Auslan, an Australian sign language that science faculty could implement within the classroom. The aim of the science faculty is to bring these multimodal literacies to the 21st century. We cannot do this without technology, an exciting and emerging digital age that is seeing the students already eager to include in the learning process. Some of these have been discussed in Cuckoo and Science by Doing. As science teachers, we have student-centered technologies such as FreeWatch. This interactive technology engages with students around the world, making inquiry-based experiments and discoveries while interacting with peers. Globe Program is another student-centered approach incorporating linguistic, spatial, visual, and oral all in one 21st century technology that science teachers can use in their science world. The question is, where are we headed with literacies in the future? Science teachers are currently introducing AR/VR, a visual and audio science tool students can use to engage in literacies. The possibilities could lead to virtual reality without VR headsets, as shown in this picture, or even the use of AI to introduce literacy tools. The possibilities could be endless. I hope this encourages science faculty to find different uses of literacies in the classroom.